What's up everyone? Sean with Bungalou here in the middle of August, dealing with the stretch of some crazy hot and humid weather, but work continues on. And really the two big words right now are finish, schedule, as we hit the end stretch here of phase one. In terms of the outside, as you can see right here behind me, we've got the fence done, and that was a real pain in the butt just because it's hard to find good labor right now, but we've got the property completely secured all the way around. The build out for the tenant has already started. They're cutting up the floors, installing the plumbing, and then on the storefront, which is essentially our front door to the property, we've torn everything off. We'll show that to you here in a minute, and we're about to put everything back nice and pretty. Inside, countertops are done, light fixtures are done. Pretty much everything is ready to go. The tile looks beautiful. Here soon we'll be furnishing the units. So let's go take a look at all the progress we've made. All right, so we're testing out a couple paint colors on the building right now. Just a quick sneak peek into those. Up here, we've got our canopies going over all the doors, which are awesome to keep the weather out, and just when you're coming up with your luggage, you're not getting rained on. And then here soon, we'll be installing in cedar accents over these door frames, which is really gonna dress this property up really nice. All right, so our roof is finally done. We've had to rebuild this entire thing. We could put a whole army on top of this thing and not have to worry about it falling down. Here soon, we'll be putting rubber mats down to dress this up. We've obviously got to get our hand railing on here for security purposes, but we're super excited about the indoor and outdoor space that this is going to provide. Out front on Bardstown Road, looking at the face of our property, we've ripped everything back. As you can see, we've taken out the windows. We're going to be putting new storefront windows in. That's going to look really slick. We've already got cedar going on part of the building down here. These two units down here are going to be the storefront for our vintage Bourbon Bar that our guests, I really think, are just absolutely going to love. They can go downstairs and get a bourbon that you just can't go to the store and get. I'll walk you inside here in a second. We'll see all the plumbing they're doing for our bar inside.